If you're looking for the newest, coolest, hottest thing in the food world, here it is. It's called Fata Paper. Fata Paper is similar to that cellophane wrap they use on those gift baskets, except it can be heated to 450 degrees. How cool is that? To use Fata Paper, place a 20 by 20 sheet on top of a plate. In the center of the paper, we place a fillet of salmon, a lobster tail, a jumbo shrimp, a few sea scallops, a couple slices of tomato, and a sprig of fresh dill, and then a big chunk of butter. Then we're going to sprinkle that with fresh ground black pepper and a little bit of salt. Now we want to gather up the edges, give it a little twist, and hold it together with a little twist tie. Now we're going to bake this baby at 400 degrees in the center of a convection oven for about 15 minutes until the seafood is hot all the way through. When the seafood is done, remove it from the oven and serve it on a very hot plate. The hot plate will help keep the steam inside the package. And now for the fun part. Grab a pair of scissors and cut the top off the Fata Paper. Pair it with a great wine and let the good times roll. I'm Peter Harmon, and this has been another Food Guru Moment.